In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get anime hair in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to get anime hair on Roblox is the latest version of the Roblox game, so make sure to go into the App Store or the Play Store and update Roblox accordingly. After that, just log into your account as usual where you want to get the anime hair for free and click on your icon at the bottom of the page. In here, if you don't already own the anime hair, just go to the shop. After you load into your shop, just go into the recommended tab and featured. From here, you can sort by recently created and you can set the price to whatever you want. As you can see, if I set the price to free, I can find these characters: Caden, Devin, Parker, Glenn, Charlie, Peyton, Riley, and Cameron. And all of these include some sweet free anime hair that you can get by clicking the green button at the bottom of the page. As you can see, you can pick whichever bundle you prefer more, and you can just click the free button at the bottom of the page. As you can see, you can now equip this hair and change your outfit as you like. I hope I was able to help you on how to get anime hair in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.